The blood bank problem is an application of the order up to model. Starting with part A, in which we have to determine how many pints Dr. Jack will order to achieve his order up to level, we need to begin by calculating his current inventory position. We know that his current inventory position is that he has 200 pints on hand, no back orders, and 73 pints are in pipeline inventory. So we can add those in for a total inventory position of 273 pints of blood. We know his order up to level of S is equal to 285, and so therefore the number of pints he will order will be S minus this inventory position, or 285 less 273, which equals 12 pints. For part B, we'll turn to the normal distribution function table to find a z-value that is closest to our target 99% in-stock probability. We see that that equals a z-value between 2.32 and 2.33, but using the roundup rule, we'll choose the z-value of 2.33, which has a probability of 0.9901. Now we can convert this to an order up to level using our quantity formula of the mean plus the standard deviation times z. But when you're finding an order up to level, you want to use the mean and the standard deviation over an additional period beyond just the single lead time. So in this case, rather than just over one period, we'll look at it over 2 periods. So therefore, our mean in that over that time period is 2 times 100, which is equal to 200, and our standard deviation is equal to the square root of n, or square root of 2, times the standard deviation in the short period, which was given to us as 34. So this is equal to a standard deviation of 48.08 over the period of the lead time plus 1. So now using these values, we can plug in and we get 200 plus 2.33 times the standard deviation of 48.08, and we get a order quantity equal to 312 that would generate a 99% in-stock probability. Finally, for part C, when we're trying to figure out the average order quantity, the average order quantity is equal to the average demand over a single period. So in this case, since weekly demand is 100, over 7 days in the week, we realize that the average demand would be 14.3 pints, and that's the order quantity that Dr. Jack should plan.